Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jacob Galbraith, and today I will be presenting a strategic analysis of Lululemon Athletica Incorporated. First, we're going to go over the company basics. Lululemon is a publicly traded company. Um, their headquarters are in Vancouver, Canada, and they are led by their CEO, Calvin McDonald. Its stock trades on NASDAQ under the symbol LULU, and as of the close to last Friday, its stock price was $170.68. Now, Lulu's story begins in 1998, founded by Chip Wilson in Vancouver. It started with a focus on yoga apparel, but its key to growth was building a community through local ambassadors and showrooms. A major strategic move was the 2020 acquisition of Mirror, expanding their reach into digital home fitness ecosystems. Leading into industry and competition, Lulu competes in the premium athletic apparel and lifestyle sector. Its main rivals are giants that we all know, like Nike, Adidas, and as well as like some niche like Alo. The data tells a compelling story. While Nike's revenue is much larger, Lululemon's gross margin around 57% dwarfs Nike's 43% and Under Armour's 46%. As comparison shows, Lululemon consistently leads a profitability metrics. The key takeaway is clear here. Lululemon's premium pricing and direct-to-consumer model give it a significantly higher profitability per item, even against the biggest rivals. Moving on to the mission, vision, and values. The company's mission is to create transformational products and experiences that build community. This isn't just talk. Their brand promise is executed through a focus of three pillars: technical, high quality products, in store community experiences like yoga classes and ambassador community programs that deeply connect the brand to the local fitness cultures. Moving on to their business level strategy, um, Lululemon's core strategy is broad differentiation. They achieve this in four ways. First, through product innovation with proprietary fabrics. Second, through premium brand positioning that helps command high prices. Third is through a dominant direct to consumer focus, with over 60% of their revenue from their own channels. And fourth, through powerful community building that creates unmatched loyalty from all of their customers, which is extremely hard to do, but they have mastered. Moving on to external environment, or Porter's five forces. An analysis of the external environment using Porter's five forces shows an industry that is highly competitive across the board. The bargaining power of buyers and threat of substitutes are both high. As consumers have many choices, competitive rivalry with giants like Nike um, and Adidas is intense. However, the threat of new entrants is moderated by the high cost of building a brand like Lululemon. This leads to two strategic points. The most significant threat is the intense rivalry. While the biggest opportunity is global expansion into markets like Europe or into Asia, where the brand is a little less established. Um, yeah, moving on to the internal environment. Now, internally, we used the VRIO framework to analyze Lululemon's brand community. We asked, is it valuable? Yes. Is it rare? Yes. Is it difficult to imitate? Yes. As it's built over decades and is the company organized to capture value from it? Yes. Through ambassadors and events, therefore the strategic conclusion is that Lululemon's brand community is a sustained competitive advantage. Moving on to our SWOT analysis. Pulling this all together into a SWOT analysis, we see that Lululemon's strengths are its powerful brand, high margins, and strong direct control. Its weakness is including premium pricing that limits its market a little bit and a historical dependence on North America. The opportunities are clear. Expand the men's product line, pursue aggressive international growth, and leverage mirror technology. Now, the primary threats remain intense competition with Nike and Adidas and a tough economic environment. Moving into conclusions and recommendations, some things that I've said already, and maybe I'm just reiterating. In conclusion, Lululemon is a strong company with a defensible brand, but it faces saturation in its core market. Therefore, I have three strategic recommendations. First, I would say it needs to accelerate its international growth by prioritizing store openings in key European and Asian cities. Second, launch the Next Top initiative to aggressively grow the men's segment and challenge Nike directly. Third, and lastly, I say to integrate to dominate by creating exclusive content that links Lululemon apparel with the Mirror platform, strengthening their ecosystems. And these are my recommendations and my conclusion that I came through with Lululemon. Thank you very much, and here are my references.